na tu anamona also no na ebon kai na bia ba ko a ye bre na waje wa yarisa na edimpa nature health clinic omo na bebo na ma da ye pretimi da so ko a ombedu so so ahwe aye no bibi akwakudu yahwe aso ano na so anya fa odi abido nkuto ye rebe kan to de den na ma no ne de beba ma ye bre na etimi aye na izeme wo mne se omo ze ne o amanone na jeza amanone ona o no osani dunya de yanso obetonkra o tonkra de bana che ne sirisi yewa ombre ni abomode na ya mane waduro na so no we jana so party form number 0245 118 434 0255 0245 118 434 na 0246 744 744 0246 744 744 opomwa orwani chemo second floor relax tower so a de chem so mo ngewo bibia nkan na me share tissue scheme no wa mo ebo adwuma dimpa child clinic dimpa yesna unya dimpa child clinic stomach ulcer last stop na boa na ne ma nyakoyie pa etimi edi ama no so echi no drinks ni emienu pe eno ane abobo bobia ama ya hoden sonko aya ye ba nyaba betransia ye bro modin ye adwuma na kama pa etimi man abako ye mixer 5G abamani ndu aba na ye dia ye ema hoden sonko cafe bia nim na aba be pian ro watu bibia na se abema ya ye bia nti oha bia na echi pebi na bobo na wo abo wi abedi ho adanse asa abomode etimi adase Ghana o ma adwena da ebe nyane no grapes ni ye yam ni ama na ye ho adwuma jensen no ebie ntini mamoja no edi afusan ye mmema de akrami esisi no emu ye den na green tea no ena ne shade na eboa ema ne no unya shape ni ye kama pa dodo na asade no na adobro mo adori omo a eku omo tipe mixer 5G ni bi ukone kan yo den a o se ma me 5 omo a ena di mizo fruit drinks na ba drink emu ede drink akono drink emu api enye yorodoro ti se ba ku bia ya ye tai enom no tigibi na obo wiabo nsampa ehyeyi a eno so no bo na hyehye na koyie pa etimi era ma mun komo na ede ntia ye na ba bedinto ena ba dodo na ba be hyem no oroji mixer 5G no etimi ede ma empinfo na mizo fruit drinks no wapomode timira man kwada no nti se nete fa number 0246 270221 0246 270221 0558 106348 0558 106348 manager Daniel out 21st clinic area overseas so obeboana nonse timia ke mama Esther oro ani chemo ebu akwa onso ye bwana nsaka bi PNC venture so no e wa no manji taxi station opposite Charity Hospital Junction obejibi ena na Sachi Enterprise oro ani chemo asafo abinchia also VIP car park re bwana Niama kuye pa etimi edi amao abe heba clinic makase nyame ena maame no so ejuma maame ne bono eyade ano eden papa dia wozene obomodin ekona maame ne boa etimi eri abibiduro ni bi kan na so no ugia na so na hyehye ne koye pre etimi eri ma ye bema na ena se wade ni so ama baby girls no omudi ho fro ne ade akwa transition be ye ejuma simple kra from wiser to beam nation mu ayedu ayeba che 7 di omoba no mu omuzi akoe wo bema mu a na ageze watimi asan dia ejuma kan wona aboa ma koye pera ma nze ye nyi no na ye prostate no kese a na ye na wa ntimi ntu ana ma dabi no ye de ade bi kwa koto be ma ni ma na so obe na wetimi aso ano ama wonso no wanya found na ne ma koye da ma low spec count ore na wetu ase enam ya ye no oyi fi o be ma ya fam na ma no so no center bolt no zenne no a wiki akọ ne entitle no etimi enfama na so no gina na so na hyehye no enkoye be boa ma bibia achiche be de be akono asundwe etimi abafie ena afi so no bacterial infection then hepatitis diabetes Maria na fi aya wodo na bosume so bu nsade ntiamu sade no be na wabomode netimi to ase na aboa ama bibia akoyera ma twa ya ba ko a egu nkofo ani ma se papa na ewo so hwe na obomode ero na maame no etimi eso ano kama pre etimi de mezanze ne de ya de keto akra etimi de ma no nye no nko yesi ne circle cells nsem na kwada na nye kekanka se nchu be fimu no enye no kre maame abi na so ye no obeboa ma kwada na giana na so na ne ma da yi so no etimi ede ama no ntimi pacho okwa circle cell test no ye scan test no o ye tan no so apatrapa new site o apatrapa junction number ni 0243 34539 0243 34539 and 0506 46020 0506 46020 no mbwana ne manko yepa emfama na daro me aba nyaba betrama ye bo modere mo etimi era ma no peni e confirm ye se Mohamed Salisu Ghana ni ane wawra mo kona nyakwa kobo edwuma era ma AS Monaco bobo kono na ojoine omo no odidi di nkomo akra ne nsem se no bo modere tudwa.
It's a very great club, and like I said, I'm very happy to be here, and it's a big step for me in my career. looking forward to the journey, to win games, to be the best team we can be. I'm very happy to be here. I arrived yesterday evening. Good, it was good. Not too long. I enjoy it here. Yeah, not too tired. It's all right. No, I know Taki. I played with him back in England. Yeah, we played for a short time. He's really a nice guy.
That's what I mean. Something crazy. Come
No,
on.
really?
Yeah? Yeah. Perfect. Great.
Oh, but I need to practice my French. I think I'm looking forward to the journey, and hopefully we're gonna make the fans happy by winning the games. Thank you very much. Yeah.
no ye koma Mohamed Salisu abo modiane wa baba bediani na meboa na ne ma deda ye pera man tu ti de okana ne ache ze ne wa Ramirez mona ko bana wa baba ejuma no pi for say bibia ebe ko ye kama pere man na nhihye no so no etimi adeda ye so etimi era mamana no on talk sports and an Ghana and quick shooting kokoko ram no ko no didi nkoma odo na didi kan no o kansem kakre de fa ye local league no de ntia obabi ram Ghana dande yin ehu se center so no na mo
My responsibilities for being there are very much about the local game, you know, their Premier League as such, albeit the large majority, if not sometimes all, of the players in the squad are European based, and you know, quite a few here in England, but it's part of my responsibility to look at the local game. Trying to encourage those that are doing well in the local game, that you know there are potential places for them in, you know, the Black Stars squad. So I think that's an important aspect, and it's important to be seen to be there.
Enti anu ye komo bomo die free local league se kana se de ho ze wo so hwe na otimi rama na mrantia o jirizi ejuma no mo bono mo so eni no debi no mo makwanya na nye debi ana Black Stars na be se ye frefra amanone fo na na ye to nsa from so mo mra ema me jamu nye ejuma ntimi afra men after no o sand di nkomo de fa Mohamed Kudus unze Kudus ye lenke no ene ya oba Arsenal ne ya oba ba be Ramo Chelsea na nkomo die de fa no se no bomo de no so de tuja.
No, certainly no inside knowledge, but he is a player of interest. There's no doubt, and I know there was interest this last season. I think it was Everton that last season. So I think he's a player that will always show interest from clubs. He's young. He has super ability. Can score a goal. He also has that flexibility. You know, there is that question mark on what's his best position. At Ajax at the last season, he was playing predominantly on the right, left-footed, coming in field. Before that was very much as a 10. You know, he's a player that can do things on the ball, particularly when the spaces open up in the game. And he has that ability to surge in the spaces and can score goals. So, no surprise, it's an interest. For me, the most important thing is that he's playing.
Enti anonsi e komo bomo die timere tu ja chezo enyawa ze ne teams ne pena ne juma kurusu ye na tise na obrobrobo biso anonsi die hia no ene ze ni no oba na cheza akwanya na beba na wajana na so etimi abo ejuma after no osan edidi di nkomode fa Thomas Tai party ni elenke no so be ramo e wo the Saudi league ni no akọ ejuma e wo Saudi Arabia na munkomo no ene ze na Saudi die me so kwa ze e wo from kakra na akwanya ne baba bedaze bia party kwa David no ye Black Stars yo besa baba be jama bu ejuma na se ne no so bomo de tuja
Full season at
Burkina Faso originally on me free. Father be home or Ghana na mother ni Ghana ni. And me Bob Ghana against Burkina na man share Burkina. Menu one come ko man Burkina. BBS nyoma bebre. Playing this nyoma I see any nyoma. Send me my African Cup 2 times. 78 82. 78 I promise here dying. Yeah my 82 always try a crusade. I'm a free. The free fee economy. As some boys in the car. Yeah, Juma. I'm say be hwe kwan Ghana be fa so magic cap ni bio. Send on be ya magic cap ni bio. Oh, original.
Ati anu ye command e opimpa na pomo de timi e de eram duty 7882. And a bakwa 7 or bomb of the area 2 years after so Mokokushia, Chamarons and new APD Fiono, Nabimukaze, Mombeji Cap ni Biamare, Fiocono, who blast us a waji trophy da. Every Saturday hard drink a can after no your mom pensiono, or checky place na ne bobo na the compare names and nefono, ombe brepansana, and Kia select your mama baba bijama bujuma, etimira mama in Ghana.
Say, Omono, Oma Bono, Tresse, yeah, ball, titty ball. Now, homo, I feel a homo ball, modern ball. But you modern ball are homo ball. But woman is sir, until the obey Juma. Very low. Players in a bunny now be anywhere a time no ball league. Say, woman, I boy in Ankamibo Bianca every year, me for goki. Every year, me for goki. You know, me generate team now cross the ball and me tidia. That shows is here.
Ono ye command George Alasa bomo de timera tuja jeza mpa neno e wo fempa de no en komo kakra wetimi edi erama yere to aso etimera ma club issues kakra oro ani chemo media mama so ma confirm ze nyambo chna e wo Cape Coast no muguso bo abo mo so mberhe na CAF Champions League no mo joma na so abodjuma etimera mo man Ghana nti ochna e wo Cape Coast Stadium no mo ngani Nation Service na de bebo ani na afi niema de dedia Sunday omone Asco di car mo so efi Togo betimi edi aboani na aboama ne madadi so no etimiera momontiene awusisi a omo na aboana bibia ko yera mo Dream Service nsulim zo omo boabo mo na omo sene Milo ewo Guinea area akwa na Dream metete se Victor Odru onze aboadi amo mache pa omo right back no yeze Victor Odru ne contract na bana wiye na enyo no nko omo players ye didi so izo no aka bosome na kakra bi no omo contract ne bana wiye ejeni Mbuati Mensa Pogba the last season no bogus no ne de mo sa ena Ali Uzaif Ali dia no so no metete ze aka be bosome no mienu bi no so no contract ne ya bana wiye them the Dreams I was there omo kika omo we mu ye key players a league no omo bono na ejuma na no mo bode mo ne ade a na no edem papa na no Accra to folk ebo mo dia mo training no day one no etimi ekoso na eba be sha ase no mo place no edidi nkomo omo koyo omo ba ne sele ne ma ne siti ense no mo di tuja.
Great because the number of days I could do with we come together as a group no ya need to because say mo yan watch and I train boom as a group in so achieve as they one now on a power share will be energy no through enthusiasm no love no spirit no.
Okay, that's it. Oh, baby, I could hear. And I'm Kano, I'm on it now also. I say, never come. We are breaking a call. If you never come, you give me a Sompa Sports. Sompa says, I did a modern assassin. The virtual star. We are here. That was fantastic. Normal thing, we just do no exercise. I will do. We are preparing for the league.
Very good experience. If you have started from Sompa, said, I'm the kind of
okay, yeah, that's it.
But as usual, everyone knows that preseason is not easy. We are cooperating.
No, my preseason is always first day behind the
I was going to say, it's when the coaches need to condemn.
Oh, sure. It's very important. I never boy, I made a regular game. It's very important.
Okay, yeah, that's it.
I got the guy come up for you, come up. She have one pie, say, this is the big team. Spirit in it. As I never saw last year, this was supporters from China. This season, from by one tire cheap. And say, Yamia, come on this season. Everyone is okay, yeah, that's it.
Oh, yes. Tempo near high. No, we answer the machine come. So, energy no one. So, 1 point by one tire cheap, and we are back.
Yeah, that's it.
Eti anu ya to phone na ze nra omo ba be rameboa ma ne ma koye preti me mo vas me hwe omo training ne kakra enra no omo sha ase ne se ne mesi kono omo kwa no pass anko enwumre no tu join na hwe ahun Sompa players ne twa kankwa omo eye ntutu ni ye na omo abomodin na omo training na aboa ma bibia koye preti me mo yeze omo a omo ye omo adwen krase omo jo omo kwan no asa now ne man did that in common did any we pay no mu na join ya pre-season no omo ne omo na sha ase se de bebe boa na bibia da ye pretimi edi amon na no pa omo kokoko training na udidi komo na ewechi na anwumre omo beje omo omo na ochena omo san ewram akwa akoto aso na aboa ma bibia akoye kama pa so etimi edi amon tie no heart folk omo nkoma ewram medi ewram da ma krobia kuma ase asante koroko na otwe bi ewram na ehwe ni mu so omo nso ebebo modena pre-season no omo etimi a resume na minyame ntiyeze ka no omo di omo no omo abomode ane o ho abu nsa alert no na aba ya clear dodo na efiwa omo edi aniji abapa eze ombezo omo nhye pre-season na se no na ka ewom ne sere ho community no guys na ba adwumo fine na omo de aba na ba be jam na aboa na hyehyɛ na da ye pa etimi edi amom ntisa pepe na uramo krobia so maso ye no so no aba beto dwa no fi ampem da ko a on the 18th August Sarani Fieda and Arwani Chima CAF Champions League no Wafu Zombi no yabo modena qualifier no etimi remti ampem da ko a akwa kuramo pram omo kono 26 players and ani omode 8 technical team members akwa kuram so omo boabo omo ewo ho na nema dadi omo ramo na Nigeria na Benin City ono omo kona yetimi akwa kobo qualifier na this time round no yarese nema be dadi impediment no be se na otwimie no e no mbebo mode di no after ono na omo ato aso na kwantu no ewramu kama so yede amount sa pepe na hyehyɛ no esi etie no so no yede ewramu kama pa etimi edi amount ma menko abe ya fo na transe na yendidi komo akra na yehwe said niema no esie ko Michael Akumia the sports mezia na bibia boko de
abudia bibia de dedi
remember komo de ewe what bebre ni ade.
Yes, of course. Mama Sha says Accra Suffolk, I'm really impressed. Me impressed by the way we are city kono. Enough of ABA through be a business and said DNA koso House of Folk training grounds. There are sensitive issues that we might talk to people about it. But definitely no, supporters no does not need traditional media alone most of the time. So who the koso or more club nim. My brother move or my basso mobile resume for the season and die enemy. They need visuals, they need to have access to videos and share the way are Nyoma City and they have video no quality CC was wrong. Ne how our players no a dinkomo a engage. Said the way our supporters need to know how prepared they are now. I must commend them. This is good. This is good. On say Obiya there and Obi fruit your pan why day. What piano? It might not be enough per their standard, but I believe it is a good step and a better step. It's your mum pushing more, normally the best. Because Ebasa brings the supporters much closer to the team, especially knowing the conditions of some players there. And as I feel so much as some training just in him.
We chamber kona last year,
we chamber kona last year, emotional. Mama says suggest in the motion white and I need a hope.
We so crown to crowd.
Be a mobile pre-season. We are not in the car, BC or no more from a clubhouse. I think Tugbe has done some things for House of Folk. We must commend him. Superb. They might not be getting the resource in terms of organizational structure. Ombela KB and Yoma Bakumi, but when it comes to infrastructure, I believe House of Folk is pushing. Maybe on Shootout, cafes and the chemist and Kakunas and no Makujinasun din. But when you shake up, no one says Shootout no so kakra. You shake up, no kakra, no some kekebo kakra, but we from Shootout no more natural grass, no more biginas, no more. We do call clubhouse. Come on. Wait here, wait her. The bond that you expect within the club, when you're moving closer, you can develop it so well. And to be Jumana where my house of folk, no, come on, Abu, there's something that is very good for the club. On my chair, but they must move from this stage to better stages. Say they beat me aboa, I'm gonna beat me form to my padefa. All other clubs I know, say also make your social media, they can even get money from these things.
Yes.
They can get money from these things. Yeah, but now how near Casaneka said the entire Glazers on Peso Manchester United the chief revenue no. The donor comes from how social media they gain money.
Sompa
and even on the app. Because Peso Hunu send away by training. Peso Hunu training picture of new players. Say Obia Peso Hunu Isakuka. Has to focus on Isakuka, has to focus away.
Asibeso aba
away. Abuati the mention as na supporter ni busa just say be a day be game no be hu asibe ala so be hu isaku there be. But if these photos are made available on the app that can actually generate something for them obe ko ba ko videos no nti asibe nie okọ ebe obi na onya hope na season there ni be gina kire won ma wonya obebu nua and the way na generate ska at the Mac club no. So they should improve upon the content, try and add more social media stuff to it, from YouTube to any other place on mobile. Say the Bear Club no bit my benefit a lot from it. Camera quality on point, and I believe has to focus on the good track.
Okay.
Then Kumasi Asante Kotoko, it is necessary for them to clear the debt, and the scanner there was almost clear the free. Now players ni be shisho mo say be mo person so, but the main problem I want to see near how are some of these players no more contract be very they will try and deal with it. I know say you see for Barik mo dey ko Maxwell cry dey so said that quite and wasa Maxwell Beke be about 1.5 and bibisa Maxwell Ajimai Maxwell Ajimai and shut down wasa
Justice Blaze
so most of the players no mo be here or no. They should be very quick enough in terms of the transfer market, get their players as soon as possible. Yenimiza got us for $150,000. Mudasi we fetch in and around $400,000. More bay 2 or 3 bill more beton makanwa. Gather the money, try and enter into the transfer market. No money your man 10. Be in good shape for the preseason. Abu, one thing that helped Kotoko to win the league, and the Kochoguma, a bit more underestimating no, preseason no munyaya.
Yes.
They had a very good preseason.
And I'm cool Dubai.
Sompa Sports.
Opponents on my boy, they looked ready for the league. They look no ready for the league. And even when Grandpa Munya form be a bar form kakrebi the crown, or not still now, they had hopes see league no bet my day. Aji. And no man on with team Nimbia, you felt it was well structured, and on we be on the field of play in Nekoye. It will make come on your mambo as soon as possible. Oma also extend, you extend. Oma won't extend. Let them know. No monko. Then, if you want to bring people in, first can be quarter quality Fabe replace it. Then you start your preseason and you move on, because there are key areas within the setup. Kotoko, we need to have a specific look at it, especially their centre backs.
Oh, okay.
Last season, no shade goalkeeping crampo the same Moises Poate or Danla di Nyankoe and Asari so quite okay. They need to look at their right back. Samuel Apia and Rubim. No more use Sheriff or number 2. Sheriff now 2 now no one say. You need somebody to compete in Japan. And over competing is when you're competing kekeba competing well. Said the bear obenya competition you on their field. Osebonsu or left back or Teleku or left back or me no bit my fight to one.
Why do you mo? Charles Ozu.
How do you play?
I don't know.
Charles Ozu.
Because there's all ball backs.
My dear two Charles Ozu.
As all you know.
There be my dear two Charles Ozu. Then centre backs, Yusuf Mubarak. And now to me the Sheriff now as also be centre back Maxwell Ajimaimo. Mohamed Alassa. Apeu.
Na Mohamed
Sharif. Abu, the centre backs of Kotoko, it is not good enough for them to keep Omu defense so solid to win the league with that. Especially with the kind of coach Omu had Naba.
Oh, okay.
This is a coach or type of highlight to dominate games. Not only so Shekeko, or person dominating games, pin opponents at the back. It is Obo Yusuf Mubarak and Mo Alasa, Omo pace in saying.
Yeah.
Masola Jamai, any appeal, Omo pace saying. And defending transition, no, a difficult chance that they all attack the no attack 1-2, but defending transition, well, Lusubo now more said than a mono. Centre backs in the old mobile papa. It doesn't mean that these centre backs are not good. Menkasa centre backs no more than Yadi. But I dear coach Nabe or club, no, any agent so. Edi akase we mu center backs we mu dey ahwe betima break akra tie be ya komo mo de no mu remu to the market and they need to get some as soon as possible. Yes sir, we on be brepa they need to get some. Their midfield, defensive midfield, Justice Blue contract issues, Agadas Oko Mo Sheriff and I'm sure say oye Ogum darling boy from last season now you could see say Asan obe prano tama no Ogum no bopa or the number 2 or the number 4 or didn't be bosses. Nina, it were one choice in that particular role. Rashid not able to me Moses in the aggression that you need as from your number 6 in the league at some point in time, the quality that you need. You'll be competing Adriana, you'll be competing Krahasu folk, you'll be competing Beche, you'll be competing Mediama. Women look at their DM. No, we used to know. Maybe Adriana they be track I don't from Pong, Adriana might have better replacements and Omonko for player be finding more easy. They will do very good recruitment in that particular aspect. And Omonye the FLA top notch. So if you are Kotoko and you want to link the league, you are battling these particular people. It's the quality of the fan. I was also for the same qualities the other day. And the bow team. For CM, they might be sorted with Rashid Norte, Richmond Lamte, Munina, or Honomo Betinabwa. I'm a club a key. But they also need to beef up that particular position also. Then Kotoko. Adia Kotoko, who are them pa near the Nimasa Sante Kotoko, they are 2 and 3, 7 and 11. It's a bottle wings in the swar. Aye, papa, overlap, no trying to water. Now crossing the shoe. Then it's all number 10 be on the war. 442 no directly, or Jitu no Cabanayaro star, or Jitu another found pa. And these are things that the club have been debated of late. Nyoma is a Saka Crady, but the traditional wingers in Kumasi Sante Kotoko, they are not up to the task.
Omo Moses ya
Abu Nasisi and the traditional wingers in the Crampo and Wamo because the abo game na Omo is almost at figure near the name wings, near pushy lamped in the core wings. Like typically old fashioned traditional winger, our Bombay up and down, there's 7-11 a day, and on one day, Omoko farm and Kuna by any day. And fat. You have to
as any money and then as a football and Kakra Fimo.
Abu, no matter how it is getting out of hand, you need traditional wingers. I'm telling you.
Omoye wingers.
Yes, Omoye wingers ankasa. You need if you know about 4-3-3, over 4-2-3-1. Oh, Pomamo who did the width for you. You need these wingers to hold the weight for you. Your games be on my bit marco with Rashid Note as a winger, Lamte as a winger, because Mumi Lunebia Obo as a right attacking midfielder, left attacking midfielder. But their games you need the width. What did they mention as no? It's not her clubs this city or Bernardo Silva's non-cause also or Maria's.
Yeah.
Your games be on more Bernardo said the bear or Becati and will be inside more. Your games be on he needs to hold the width. It will be here Marias. These are things I know said the club will be looking at in terms of those particular wingers, and they need a striker.
Because then you are striker,
because you need someone to fill in the shoes of Imbella. Mukwala ni say no hodi eba Mukwala pra wan eba.
Say Solomon Safutela.
Solomon Safutela is striker in the G League.
How?
I'm not saying he's not a good player, but Solomon Safutela is not a striker that.
I don't know your striker in the G League.
One Solomon Safutela, and yeah, ain't me mao. So 34 games. You can find someone who can play a second fiddle. Safutela injury prone kakra. Or boy, to be an a just say, near the blog at Tuswa, no recover some time. Sa no acquire sa and they are on your consistent. Safutela and consistent. Me, I know say Kakotoko will and Quaka Safutela, Kemzen this is in Quanya day. Guamo. They do maybe look at watch or monocran. Now he was the one who was playing though. But Safutela is not a striker you can rely on. In Fege more like winger center forward or no, and just solely about in Melan to me mount, in Fege to me mount 20 goals to me mount 15 goals. You know what they mention as no. So more or less, you know, you are supposed to have a player Bukwala or Hodie, but somebody that can give you also 15 goals, 20 goals, competing in the center forward in terms of that particular area. And I believe said they would need to beef up that particular position too. It will hurt a squad at large at Kumasi Sante Kotoko. It needs a lot of surgery, no matter how these players no matter to be brady or my baby ship. Tomu here say was some way my pa.
Mateo be kafa George Last and common no dear no.
George Last and common now would in no time and then some time to come no. Yes, you better now no man as we are also ball during this particular terrain so be catch museum. Klano mudi and my ban or more no klano no.
There's a generation beyond there.
Yes. And we are not saying so on generation there was not so much quality. We can pinpoint say there are some players within their generation are not level no sort of quality power. But football is evolving. And definitely there is a need for improvement in terms of your current crop of players, which fully may here. I don't begrudge him per that statement though. But I'm only citing an example. Say within the next few years, Louis Vetinaka the same thing. But realistically, to me say there's quality enough in this particular
Sompa
era.
Sports.
But how I city treaty or mono you're quite different from almost no. And they almost city home football no. and then the difference maker here
sir
we mo no mo hunu ball no say oni bibia o say ska wo ho but the passion to play ne saa de ne so okojina park so kura be bɔ na gene so ahuru na kukuru ne si agongon no some of these things they are very much important to them. So what
omo so penzo ano mo GBB di amaye no na scanning share the nim say ne o
so
and then for no so relax
so how are different generations see football and then they determine the output kwa ofa so hu ball no the way city here adwuma bi a city hunu sa particular kind of thing you are doing and it show the kind of output you are going to bring out timi gitum zo omo no hunu omo de ne samwe we muso hu omo de no so but it has not begrudged the fact say maybe on the time that they were better than these people. And Abu, we also need to work and make sure say we be able to develop it so well.
Sompa Sports.
Mate, be up. You remember that Kobono be brave naba. Meaning be out there for. Yeah, they transfer window no so the players there wale atoba kubiu.
Yeah, I'm saying.
Kwa ba le wala ze.
Ba kwa be film.
Ba kubia be film. Is it court is first.
Yeah. Ti asama ya munya abutre kakra. Abu mu na kire wado.
Sa pepe.
Model mono of fema de be ba no. Yen coach Echo Talk Sports metie no nsem ne bebre na transfer semi ya mira oken or na no to bim regarding Mohamed Kudus eka problem ayi nyina aye won say it's difficult now pinpointing said this is Kudus's best position. He's such a versatile player and is becoming an albatross a bear problem e de amano ye no to nchen say ene ndwumadi aye di e Black Stars no mu no akonya da homo bia nti ne se obobo fie na se ohwe na omode mo no eso ni a obeto nsa de afrew
Sompa Sports
papa yin se me okokan ama ye image apeja kakra ordinarily Talk Sports no they are not going to talk about Ghanaians and they are unless a Ghanaian is making a big money move into the UK so tell me that so no so they are to just say omonhwe across Europe we say there are a lot of players within the Black Stars playing across from Turkey through to England. Axel Diaz, about Chelsea. And then left-sided centre back in Mohamed Salisu. Ordinary German Monaco. It's good bit of business for them. Onko donku siade. Kiki non so kakra. And I also he's a bit rash. Monaco would offer him a greater level of competition in Europe than any of these teams. Southampton,
yes.
Oh, ball French league, Monaco, ball European competitions, until you would face some of the stronger oppositions you'd have thought about. Uncle Abroswa 2 years, mark it today. Salisu 2 years, Abroswa. So Kokusuya Dieno, a Bobonia, Monaco, where the bar. Oh, it's one of the most expensive cities I've been to.
Monaco.
Aye. If you have some Mexican to do now, feel Monaco is an autonomous region in France. Monaco or Hine, the Prince of Monaco.
Yes.
I'm happy for him. Uncle Kusiakai, Onion, on money homoding. No news Monaco as a launch pad and fun game in Sanko next level. Upon Chibit Ma Pimia or Banichi and Sanwako Pim. And Mani who said move where why a downgrade. Mean so Musa, it's not a downgrade. Exactly. Na me de so say anya hwe no onimobi a obetimi ne di nkomo obi a wahia ne dakwaku so ukọ bebi na onimobi a wa settling in takes a lot of time. No say onim takumi minamino.
Yeah.
Ono ne boss around kakra.
Yes.
And che bebi ba ono ne onim no. Ono so nim no. Omusu su me di ehia nti eno bebo Mohamed Salisu. Onye ne ho empire ne bebo se pra ene ne o me ka ho e mana kwan no betime si akan na mana konkan. Bibia be kama. Me ogidie mapa. So ye no ho se o si akan na sini ya. Kwaku baby opeso okudru no. Obekwa akudru at every point in time. Many age e de amano. Ye bompire so de atanechi. Because we're one of the best players we have in the national team. The national team no more de money kosro no. Na ono so more de more kosro. Na se ni menu na edi ehia. The form he would translate from club side to national team no. And ebe boy. Maybe a trim no. Ka obenya na nka national team center backs no ball at the very highest level. Center backs when you are there you dinina. yɛnya centre back a wabɔ Bayern Munich ɛde ɔmo agye Champions League so what I say Ghana ha no nye de yɛhu bi danie ti ɔnkɔ n'anim na nyɛ kama ɔda last time yɛpɛ ɔmo kyɛw ɛnyɛ Chairman Rollins amanyɔfoɔ hyɛ aseɛ sɛ ɔmo hyɛ bɔ a ɔmo nni so no ɛnyɛ nɛ amanyɔfoɔ no ɔmo hyɛ aseɛ sɛ ɔmo esgasha what to say sɛ amanyɔfoɔ esgasha akam da
dabi ankam
na mo a mo nyi bibi ni no Blasters na me say adome mo of course still they all can
Nazam no kan
I say eno mama drink ko si asem bi a nkwa na ene omo te kanum ne kan
no
so mo hwe so mo bagi cap bi ma anu edi nchine di makoi techema na oba bu mba bi ada na omo ka Sunday school man ko bi omo se ka say nim nanso sa techema kitikiti na etimi ye no you have no idea or the techema no compare ship say ship kakraka no steer I control no e ketwe ni pa bra bo kakraka obu wa no we techema no me nsa na betima ka gusu no you have no idea
if you go na financing 3
yeah ni nyina
mfa
92
ba ko kra le hu pa ai
2015 oh na me science
that's how they TV fa
no because did I even or retire from football trying to book now I'll personally make a pitch so onka then the mom say shooting order na sada
shooting order sada no shisha no ma ya mom
no never bought third cake to shaba ko mu de omu hu sada na no mu de omu sagu omuti
sada na ika
so I want to listen because players am jomu di power we as back no
any didi
ai Blasters no
the moon sempa
did I you okay me jinidi papa
did you Black Stars means
ai did I you
Nazam jan
no jan hoko
doronye no say emun sem ne ade no
oh jan crowd obe hu no more than the day because of strategy
ono ne my case
but the day no from 2008 no be boy na o sha say no 2007 cra bra as more than the 4 years and sana the day ba but since 2019 as more than on board national team ni bi
David
and we are 4 years down the line the day has still been there until the day might have lost the first 4 I still involved maybe say aden because Charlie do asa no papa kan ho asa maybe me hwe ni bi na we etwa nam to asama bia me ne mo na mameka no say me chin West Africa akakra na yen ankasa no
Sompa Sports
yeah sheda and sisa irrespective of the country Burkina and Cote d'Ivoire was our same problem ni bi
almost was how ni bi
to see us offer car offer wenchi bole bamboy sola wa hamile oko ubetimi akọ sisala na east and west ba ko ye golu na ba ko ye tumu golu no border town ho na ye wo Hilaliman ho no free border town ufri golu na ura Burkina kru kese wo ho a owuram first e friend lew de musifon dodo na Ghana na omuti susala ho hwibidie
dodo
na mukasi sala kasa ni bi fama ni bi kama eso so yebufu ni ewura musifo no kroma eso akoye adwuma ho ne afama ni bi akama te de obadwun so ba ko aguma ne akofa asema ba wa mti Ghana fo nkra no dodo na no ye musifo no so nkra no dodo na sala fo
ti o kujira lo
no atumutu se ono ankasa no oye Burkina ni Ghana ni ebe wo zamrama fo so mo aya ka bibia kyerɛ mo
na bia ka retro
asem no gawo fo yo ne mo tukuro mo ya obi aka bibia kyerɛ mo omo ye Ghana fo
omo nyina o Ghana ka
fantastic so mo ye malifo ye de mo azemi
omo Ghana ka
ntino sa na tie ti mo kan sem ni bia ya mo nya botre kakra fize ye di afra
da be bia me pe ho asetena hwepres abadu kuro mo hyero
oh ya say horara
holo
ya say
be pe ho
we bit makodi be over Christmas no
be pe ho
ya ko break na
be pe ho asetena
ye nya hotel
abi jo ho de interesting pa so like here every coast
ai what de you become be we ni si no so rem ne asaba o bit makodi be 3 days no
Over the countries are French.
Almost our Kasabi or Murphy Kasanidi, a native language.
Omokano.
The Mafoni beat here being kind. Your Kasabi or
Mokano.
But I
was actually on the interesting. Down when you have recruiting a gun. You already almost do ask it in Anna. What would talk about Ghana to our recruits?
Kaluata away.
Are they all a Kalufi?
Let me chat about that.
Oh, there's that. We already last time now, we imagine a woman. And is that a garden city? Now we are to
wow. How did I
go?
Ah, a shot if we elbow. Eba say could you chrome? Kwame could you
Kwame say maybe last time you call
I don't know Kwame say chrome. Say you for no honey or say could you chrome? Sa western border now so eba be drew north. And then they call him little.
Sa you in a bar. Also Badu Chrome so sure.
Badu Chrome Fifi. We free we ebano. Kojo Chrome. Eba no say Kojo Chrome. O na ofro so kakra ntu o de Ghana map no so. En ne ba be fa Kwame say Chrome ko Sompa no. It's western border na so.
Oh, but only dear was that I pay you know. A very very interesting. All dear me also be akra. Was all nanti afia ba. Countries and French. Not well, I will follow Conquer, catch us all. I have no Namoni and what D when you realize. Okay, because last week I had 11 says a comedy of Buyana. Nah, or was I very
yeah, so border town is the
Oshe or more lights in a Ghana, Diana, who says, it will bat me now.
And I said, who recruit gra? I'm only here, on behind Danica. It's funny, it's so interesting.
Last time guy no Coco ye, Sawi Nana or ye interview. Or Bagana Funuman or a country Kakra. Or Koa French. Or French now, or country be your mom or so. It's no Maccabi. I'm the A Kruma bed.
So it's very important. Now the Kotoko players got 4 months. And technical 5 months.
Yeah.
And a year free.
Be made their mates. Just say, Ibi Munia, Bimoso Ches or Munia. Tibi is that channel. And then reflect. I mean,
Uncle Henry. Now, say, football na your born. A PO off season club in Yajua.
Yeah.
Omun is a players no Munia join today. Omo job on your fan tour. And you know football is can be any more chroma. In time for the music, that's a shame, but it's all good.
Now, that when I was your preseason.
Adriana, that's not you.
Hey, never done with the CMU.
Oh, no, oh, W Tando. Your training program, Nana, can be a true. Debbie, go coach. Aye. Aye. So our French training was okay. Oh, sir. No, I can. Sir. Oh, sir. Do not make music.
Now, Fafa, they go fine. Now, what about the father? Unyano. Never music at you.
Oh, my music.
Yamana media di.
Anyway,
Nametia father the father confirm. You bet you sikadi. Me am me dem ka once a while. Near ya, yes, I be kwa do with you.
Hey.
Hey. That's what yes we chiko yi.
Dey be anyone eye.
That be answer much.
Into the all share. Season 9 will no be a player or the team near home common there. It's very important. Kotoko Susubebi. They are very active. May be another Kotoko active. I'm very active. We had a number of negotiations. I mean, some way and letters on my tra. Kotoko, I'm a center back be every cry. No mercy, Jeremy.
We see what she.
That's when we catch me where each way. Or a Division 1 player. Young, strong in the air, but he needs to learn because Division 1.
Anyway, any difference.
My body do the ball. Sarah Fat, the nephew. And I'll call National Under 23 camp. Our hon, now Prosper Ogum, training for
Sompa Sports.
Black Galaxies. And no need nkomo na Prosper e catch some text for no say obey adwuma no sa akra na akra ba ko hia no some text for no could di nkomo ni nyina agreed everything in principle till the aka release ahead of them
you charge at me
bra release number
be seen there
Prosper U10 no kokotokwa akra na ko nti almost a Prosper U10 no na edua na room say no betime nya akra no no money di nkomo no say o on the money team nkasa edua na ni team no so di nkomo adrechiro di club no and akotokwa abem akra ni tese kotoko epe no bi enu akọ biti so kwakobo kotoko have signed the center back a very strong one about man bre no nyini they will see he's a very good player. He says Usa, he's that good. He's that good, I must admit. Obi any did chibi. When him striker is so much letter come on the team when you have bread and then the team is somebody $100,000.
Amazing.
$100,000. Kotoko somebody just 70,000 Ghana cedis. Tom Guzu Kaza. $100,000. Kotoko somebody just 70,000. Aye.
How she goes.
No. Striker make us win him the partner.
The amount you boom here and answer for $100,000.
I'm so pay $100,000.
Have you have last year she goes?
Maybe you know 5.
Or share 5 books.
Aye.
Any $100,000. Is that there? Something do kumone I feel go call you with the others on the Okowa. Be you don't know. $100,000 for the minimum and as if you're from.
Sompa Sports.
I don't know how dreams are.
Now here you know Okroma you strike as Okroma.
Hading.
E Okroma you strike a be obo bia obi shop ni no. $100,000 e koto. And I got those be charge.
70,000 Ghana.
Now that man who crowd.
Say negotiations.
70,000.
So I say I'm for your active. People are very active. Manaf woman what to be oko.
Manaf. Manaf come on there. Chiwu. Bla. Say you want to make kai kwa.
As if you know. But they putting in that together. We are yawa we ni kakrai. Abroswa China and in addition. The names concrete. They say a reflector or transfer matching system. Yeah. And so near team account say. You who say team no a release player no system na team na auto no afemia
yes what I got don for bombs
aye
na dey would yes
me be say ne wonim dara
wa mi ni mo
ya me
e da bi o
ya me
me continue ba bu ni mi ndi ko
ada
da no all am ke bi so people here bi and I me see am nya bi ma di na me de ma na me say na shape nine into one for bi and I me say Sadia wako eze kura lo eje de ti wa da bia camera of na okoton adon fipon wato adon fipon
na so ko ne braso adon fipon assigned 2-year contract at St. George's of Ethiopia ochna
ona na kwa na
David
say ntize na abekobi
but time no see
ti mo mo je say
o be bam
be say
also I mean dread the answer there meeting for
so ga che
o bet acha o be ara me
obi atimi la omo di omo ka no mejo omo sika
ya
be ka no bi atimi omo di omo ka no mejo omo sika
I don't call
e won kwa na afimu kwa na ze
oh there will be others too
bi musu be fimu
yes waki mai
waki na is it updating
problem ni nyina han say ye nduru ba bi akra na e na real have before so the letter be to a chase omo pe no
na be your afatika gumok for no mo cho waki
no like you see near observation no call observing the trim you expect formal offer near ya negotiate but play and also taste Portugal bebu or any part
but I don't go the letter bremo say no mo pe no
oh really
onte once
no got to control my idea as on
these are uncommon bia
oh no I'm on try
oh okay
got to control my idea and how we are aware
ba bibia mba
na bi
akoya
no only waki menini free Morocco but menini never the same day airport na me sorry directing
local take but this is a call for any agent we has a watch
I mean it's what it is
now Jose Barroso ko
enchebia
adoso be ko the keep on am never
Yeah, didn't come but I'm say CCC na see Andrews. So
Lions. Andrews na more than ever. Okay.
Only a pay. Only you didn't come.
Na twene so mari.
Eguso. And you remember the final part of the meeting? Maybe see now.
Where you must see.
There be some now.
Say oh. Cancer. Oh, yeah, there's all the bishop way. Who player? What yes, we chi.
Kotoko for the okoye deal no. No, my choice can cram team no. Madina Zongo homo astro tef bi o. Insumu na krane but still the Kotoko official or kinds went there to make sure obey clear. As I tell coaches na no. The IMC delegated somebody so no so konko Sir, Granite is saying, look, they are serious. They are serious.
Dr. Prosper, now, the players need your money.
South strike $100,000. And I'm telling them, say, my South team name, 100,000. I'm crying, super crying, and I'm there. I'm so my background check. I'm not pay. I was surprised.
Oh, no, Bishop. They like this one because last time no be sure more and Juma no be any there. Last time I go me want o cry ma maybe any. Ko bo cry be sure last time. Omushia ye no. Juma no ba be ni ukroma no. Na boy no onimbo bo na e say yi ba ko na.
Also same environment.
Yeah, now so tena baby for akoche di trimu.
They say no atena wa che.
Yeah.
Na no ana your friend said the edru no me I mean intervene. Na me ni see you nkasa.
O da ba we dey me gini.
Ogum na na se ope.
I on dem gini.
No osoma ya anajo. Anajo no oti. Anajo.
Ba ko so report say di ani mu aso na sa so ti hey. Olo aso na
sa mum.
Asa ba ko
ene dey edru ni. Okay. Thank you.
Our crossboy ya ba.
Thank you for the words so sweet.
Our crossboy ya ba. No, next year you go king or chess.
Thank you for the words so sweet.
Fantastic.
The wape why miss ya. Here ko. So we get to a bana wa ba bo nyome dia